Okay guys, so we've just installed these lights. These are 48 watts each LED lights. We still need to sort all the wiring out for it. But just one thing that came to my mind is the fact that these are 48 watts each and we have 12 of these lights. I would like you guys to work out how many amps these lights all should be taking. So in total, how many amps do you reckon these lights will be taking? We're going to check it, but what I would like you to do is pause the video, just work it out if you know how to. If you don't, leave me a comment and I will tell you how to work it out. But these are 12 lights and these should be taking around 2.5 amps of current. So let's see. I've got my multimeter here, and sorry for the flickering guys, my camera can't take it. I'm going to set it to AC amp setting and let's just check it to see. Let's take in around 2.4. Yep, 2.4 amps as you can see. So it should be around 2.4, 2.5 amps. According to calculation, I think it'll be 2.5 amps. But if you don't know how to work it, do drop me a line and I'll go through it with you. Thanks for watching. Please do drop me a line and don't forget to like and subscribe the video, guys. If you want me to make any more videos, gas or electric, do let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.